Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to howtofixthecordontheAndisT-Out, taking barbers to the next level. On this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to change the cord on the AndisT-Outliners. That way, it'll save you a lot of money by you doing the work yourself rather than getting new clippers. To do this, all you're gonna need is a new cable for the T-Outliners, your T-Outliners, of course, some scissors to cut a cable. If these don't work, I got these. You're also gonna need a solder core. You can get this from any hardware store. And of course, you're gonna need a solder iron. You can get this from any hardware store. They're about $20, very inexpensive. And a screwdriver to open up your T-Outliners. So let's get started. First, we open the machine. Now, of course, make sure your clippers are unplugged. You don't want to electrocute yourself. Now, we take off this tape. And we unscrew this cable right here, the black one. The red one, we leave it alone. Now, I'm going to cut this cable off. I'm taking off the old soldering cord that was on the clipper. So we get the new cable, and what we need is for these two cables to be connected. So we're gonna twist them a little bit. Now I take the soldering cord and I put it against the two cables. Now I'm going to unplug my solder iron. I'm gonna put it to the side so I don't burn myself. Now I'm going to put electrical tape over the two wires. The electric tape is to prevent the cables from a short circuit. So now we put the cable right here where the old cable was, and now I just put this cable back in here. That's it, very simple. So the work is done already. Now we just close it and put the two screws back on. The final step, testing them on. Alright, so that's it guys. For more videos, check us out at faymassivevideos.com. We're gonna have many more videos on how to work on your clippers, how to build your clientele, and especially how to do every single haircut. Alright, check us out, faymassivevideos.com. Peace.